Hi everyone, my name is Bharti Chaudhary and today we are going to discuss question number 3 of the graded sheet of week 5. Now the question says that consider the curve of quadratic function y is equal to x minus 1 by p into x plus 1 by q with p and q not equal to 0. Suppose the distance between its x-intercept is 2 and the y-intercept is at a distance 1 from the origin, then which of the following equation is correct for the given curve? So let's plot this parabola so that it will give us a clear idea that how to approach this question. Suppose this is my y-axis and this is my x-axis. According to the question, it is saying that this quadratic equation, that is y is equal to x minus 1 by p into x plus 1 by q, makes the intersection with x-axis and the distance between the both of the intercept is given as 2. So let me make a rough diagram. So suppose this is my parabola which does it so. So these point and this point, the distance between these 2 points has been given as 2. Now as you can see that these 2 points represent the intercept of your graph on x-axis, which also concludes that these points are the roots of this equation. Now if somebody does not know the definition of root, roots are those points where a graph or the curve intersect or intercept the x-axis. That point is termed to be as the roots. So let's find out the root of this curve. For finding out the root for the curve, you have to equate this equation to 0. It means that when y is equal to 0, at what are the points that x is having so that the equation turns up to the equal to 0. Thus you can say x is equal to 1 by p and the next one is minus 1 by q. So these are the two roots of the curve that is given to us, and these are only the intercept on the x-axis. Let's mark these points. So this point will become 1 by q comma 0 and this point will become your 1 by p comma 0. Now the next thing that question is saying that the y-intercept is at the distance 1 from the origin. Now what does it mean? That wherever this curve is making a cut on y-axis, the distance from the origin is 1. So there are two possibilities that this curve will cut the y-axis only at such 2 points, that may be 0 comma 1 and next one is 0 comma minus 1. So let's mark these points. So this will be somewhere as 0 comma 1 and this one will be 0 comma minus 1. Now that is very obvious that 0 comma 1 cannot be the point. Why? Because you can see that this does not lie on this curve. That's why we can conclude that 0 comma minus 1 will be the point of intercept on y-axis. Now we already have these points. Let's find out that what are the relation that we can obtain. Now this point 0 comma 1 will lie on the curve y is equal to x minus 1 by p into x plus 1 by q. So definitely this point will satisfy this curve because this is lying on this curve. So let's substitute the value and get a relation. So y is 0 and the value for x, y is minus 1 and x value is 0. So this gives you minus 1 by pq, which concludes that your p into q is equal to 1. Now, in the question it is given the distance between the two intercept on the x-axis, the distance between them is 2. So, by using that statement we get the relation that 1 by p plus 1 by q is equal to 2. Now, this relation you can derive by using the distance formula. 2 points are given, the distance are given, use the distance formula and you will get the same result. Moving on to the further, you will simplify this. You are going to get p plus q by pq is equal to 2. Hence, you can say p plus q is equal to 2 because you know that pq value we got the pq value as 1. So we have got obtained two important relation. We have to find out that which of the option will be satisfying these two relation that we have obtained according to the question. So these are the options which are given to us. We will be finding the p and q value from these options. From the curve that has been provided to us, and we will be seeing that which of the curves satisfy these both relation. Moving on to the first one, you will be observing that the value for the p that you are going to obtain here is 3 and the value for q you are going to obtain is minus 3 by 5. Now put down the value. Here you are going to get p plus q is not equal to minus 2. Hence, your option 1 will be incorrect. Moving on to the next one. Here, the value for p you are going to get as 1 and the value for q you are going to get minus 1. Now, again let's see p plus q you are not going to get equal to 2. Here 2 will be there, not equal to 2. So, this option is also incorrect. Moving on to the third one, here the value of p is equal to 1 and q is equal to 1. Let's put down the value. So, you get p plus q is equal to 2 and your p into q is equal to 1. So, this option 3 satisfies the both of the relation. Hence, you can say that option 3 will be correct. Now, this is the correct option and fourth will not be 1 because we have already got this equation is correct for the given curve. I hope you have understood this question. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me in the comment section below, or you can also mail me or write me on my mail account which is given in the description below. Thank you so much and we will be seeing in the next question. Thank you. Take care.